Recent reports have revealed that the next generation Galaxy Fold will be arriving with a larger internal and external displays. The original Galaxy Fold has a 7.3-inch flexible inner screen, but the Fold 2 is expected to come with a bigger 7.7-inch flexible display. The Galaxy Fold has a 4.6-inch outer screen. The Fold 2 is rumored to be arriving with a 6.23-inch cover display. The Fold 2 is unlikely to come with a compartment for storing the S Pen stylus. The Snapdragon 865 mobile platform will drive the Galaxy Fold 2. However, some markets may receive the Exynos SoC-powered version of the device. The original Fold came with an internal storage of 512 GB. It is speculated that the successor edition will come in 256 GB and 512 GB editions. The Fold 2 will be arriving with a dual-part battery like all the other foldable and flip phones for Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. The capacity of EB-BF916ABY is 2090 mAh and that of EB-BF917ABY is 2275 mAh. The combined capacity rated of the two battery parts is 4365 mAh. Considering the 4380 mAh battery in the previous generation Fold smartphone, the fans might be a bit disappointed as there's no increase in the capacity. The other specs of the Fold 2 are under wraps. The foldable phone is expected to arrive in at least two colors such as black and brown. Samsung is likely to launch the Galaxy Note 20 series in August. It is speculated that the Galaxy Fold 2 will also debut alongside it. Also, there are rumors that the 5G version of the Galaxy Z Flip will be also announced at the same event.